Get up here, buddy. What you doing? Hi. You safe to come in? I don't know where you're... What's wrong? I saw the neighbor cat outside. Maybe he was afraid of them. Hey, buddy. How was your day? Oh, let's get your water inside. How was your day today, buddy? I'm going to turn the air conditioning on. My goodness. It is hot. It's like almost 90 degrees out here. Oh. How was your day, little sweetie? Yeah? Good? Let's get this AC going. My goodness. It's definitely cool in here. Cooler than outside. What is it here? Let's get that AC going. How's my little baby doing this time of day, huh? Picked up a 0 bar as recommended by somebody in the comments. So I will I'm going to put it in the refrigerator because it's a little melty right now. And I'll review that in a future video. Looks good, but based on the ingredients. How's my little sweetie doing? Oh, you got some burrs on you, I feel. I'll have to get those off later. Oh, what a cutie pie. What a good little kitty. Oh, got a burr right there. Yes. I got a couple burrs. Let's deburr you right now. Burr right there. Ooh, burr right there. I'm gonna I attempted to schedule an appointment for him today, but nobody picked up on the telephone, so we'll see about that later. We're waving to everyone again. That's so sweet of you. Ooh, man. My goodness. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes with Cinnabon. I'll have the cat carrier probably Sunday, maybe. So it has to be next week. And hopefully not the week after, but it's possible. Depending on their schedule. Depending on how many kitties they have that need to go in, and dogs and reptiles, whatever else they do. Sure, they have everything. Maybe birds. Make sure there's no birds around when he's around. He would. Cinnabon loves to play with birds, don't you? A little rough though with them, aren't they? Why is the AC coming on? Oh, I know why. It's probably not set high or low enough. Or high enough, I mean. Or low enough, I don't know. There it goes. Yeah. I hear that kicking on. Oh, I was so happy to see you. I didn't even take my shoes off. Somebody said I have burgundy shoes. That's not exactly correct. They're more of a brown, but I'll take it. What a good little kitty. What a good little kitty. These bad boys are my size, and whenever I find shoes of my size, I buy them, even though they're not exactly what I want, because my size is kind of hard to find. Yeah, I gotta go to special store. Yes. Uh-huh. Yep. You walk into the store, first thing you ask, what's the highest shoe size? They say 12, I say, sorry, gotta go elsewhere. Okay. Cinnabon has built-in shoes, don't you? We got little built-in shoes. We got ourselves a package here. I wonder what it'd be. See if I can do this with my hand myself. Ooh. Okay, almost there. Oh, broke all the rules of how to use a knife. That's okay. Not a weapon, or excuse me, it's not a gun. Bless you, child. My goodness. You okay? Oh. Okay, little baby. Oh, we'll check it. Hold a little tissue to your nose and go blow, but I don't think you'll be able to blow your nose conventionally. No. No. Bless you. What you get in your nose? It is sunny in here. Let's see. Want to open the package with me, buddy? Want to open the box with me? Unboxing with Cinnabon. What I have is fairly unusual. Kind of hard to find. Yeah? Okay. Got some papers. Ooh. What do we have here? I'm gonna hide their labels so I don't see their address. We have, well, you probably saw that. That's okay, not my address. These are, I bet you can imagine, ammunition for the H&K MP7, which is something I'll probably never own, but I just had to have some ammo for it because it's a quite exotic round. It is the 4.6 millimeter by 30 millimeter, 26 grain armor-piercing ammunition. So the weapon, the MP7, was designed for response Cold War era. The Soviets apparently were using some body armor. Let's go ahead and get one open. Is that interesting to you? Yes. Look how tiny that is. It's basically a rifle type cartridge. I forget the material. I don't think it's steel. Maybe tungsten, I don't know. But it's definitely armor piercing. There's a head stamp there. A little tarnished, looks like it's older stock. Don't see a year on the head stamp. Made in the United States. The weapon is German. Kind of a neat collector's item though. What is it made out of? Stainless, whatever it is. I might be able to find out later, but pretty interesting. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's from Florida. Isn't Florida a funny state? They got all kinds of interesting things. Don't they, Cinnabon? Do you want this box, little buddy? Do you want this box? Oh, what? A little box for Cinnabon? Want to inspect it first? Mm-hmm. I have a little display set up for this ammunition. Yeah. Also, unrelated note, was at Costco today. It's weird lighting right now. I think this is either a vine or a maple tree. I don't know. I'm going to plant it and find out. It could just be a vine. It looks like a plant that I thought was a red maple, but it was a vine. Looks like a vine to me, but we'll find out. I'm going to plant it and see what happens. How cool would that be, buddy? Plant a little vine, or it could very well could be a weed. But we'll plant it and see what happens. Yeah? Yeah. Oh, good boy. I think he wants some snacks, so we'll give him some snacks. Yeah. Hey, why don't you get some food, buddy? Why don't you get some food? Get some food or something. No? No? Get some food later? Okay. Maybe later. Well, here's the little display here. Not the best lighting, but we have the H&K MP7 pin with a couple loose rounds and that little acrylic display from Hobby Lobby. We also have an MP7 magazine, 30 rounds. Magazine to a weapon I'll probably never own, but it's a collector's item made in Germany. Just got a couple rounds loaded in there for effect. Kind of interesting. Something for the law enforcement part of the display. Yes. Where's my buddy? I hear him. Hi. What's Cinnabon doing this time of day? Hmm? Oh, what a good kitty cat. What a nice little kitty cat. You haven't touched your food, mister. Mm-hmm. Well, yeah, you have. Oh. What a good boy. What a good boy. You doing okay, buddy? You having a good day? You're just relaxing, aren't you? I need to get out of these clothes. I am so hot. He's probably thinking the same thing. I got the AC on, so he's going to be more than comfortable, aren't you? Yeah? You going to be a comfy kitty? Looks like he's pretty comfortable. Yeah, getting your little afternoon bath. Almost evening bath in. Oh, what a cute little kitty cat. You want to be petted, don't you? Want to be petted? Yeah. Oh, what a good boy. What a nice little kitty. What a nice little kitty cat. Mm-hmm. Oh, let's get those ears. Okay. Okay. Oh. Finished watching Better Call Saul season 4. You know, I really like season 1 and 2. 3 and 4 I thought were definitely weaker. Still good, but weaker. What do you think, buddy? Yeah? Wasn't your favorite either, was it? He almost made it to the end of season 4, but he had to bail. He wanted to go outside to check out the fireflies. Yeah. Are you pooped, you little baby? You pooped? Yeah? Oh, you know what? I bet I know what you want. You want me to move your blanket onto your chair. Huh. Okay. Look what I got for you, buddy. Look what I brought. It's your panda bear blanket. Oh, yeah. Buddy of mine at work let me borrow some movies to watch next week. He probably figured I'd get really bored because I took the whole week off. We got Jet Li Hero by Quentin Tarantino. Probably didn't direct it, I'm sure he produced it. Saving Private Ryan, the only movie of this pile I've seen before, years ago. Braveheart, never fully seen it. Pretty sure it's a good movie. Gladiator, never seen this one either, just parts of it. So we have all kinds of movies to choose from, Cinnabon. Yeah. We'll set this down in our collection, huh? Yes. Okay, he's immobilized at the moment. I'll just put these somewhere safe for now. I've kind of done a once-over on this movie. Oh, you can't even see that right now. It's dark down here. Got the whole movie collection in the dark. There he is. Ooh, hey, little buddy. Do you want to move to your chair? You know, heat rises. You probably don't want to be up this high, do you? No? Up here? No? You're just happy right there, aren't you? That's good, though. You're a happy kitty. He's a happy little kitty. Oh, what a nice cat. What a good kitty. Mm-hmm. You spoiled little cat. Well, we'll tune in next time, and I hope you do too. Thanks for watching, and I got to change out of these clothes. I'm hot. I'm dressed into something lighter. Yep. I won't put that on video. Family friendly. I'll keep it that way. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.